Ser una niña es poder tener libertad. Quería ser normal, pero no la encontraba.
I saw my mother being tortured in front of me. I got pregnant when I was still a child myself.
For a woman to achieve justice, it's very difficult.
Who can I go to for help? Who will protect me?
As IJM, we are passionate about protecting women and children from violence.
Trabajamos con el Estado para fortalecer sus capacidades.
Nos ayudan a entender que no es nuestra culpa, a liberarnos, a perdonar. No nos llamamos víctimas.
That sisterhood, we are teaching about domestic violence so that each and every woman should receive justice.
We are coming together to make sure the criminal justice system can respond to violence against women and children.
We are seeing a change. People are reporting. They are no longer keeping quiet. That's why we say sisterhood, sisterhood for justice.